Welcome back. While many programming languages restrict a function to returning only a single object, Python has a powerful and elegant way to return multiple values simultaneously. This is achieved by having the function automatically package all the return values into a tuple. 1. Returning comma-separated values. Inside the function, you simply list the values or variables you want to return, separated by commas. Python automatically wraps these comma-separated values into a single tuple object before returning it. 2. Capturing the tuple result. When you call this function and assign it to a single variable, that variable will contain the entire tuple. We can then access individual values using the standard tuple indexing, starting at 0. 3. Unpacking the values. There is a way to handle multiple returns is through tuple unpacking. By assigning the function call to multiple variables, the same number as the return values, Python automatically unpacks the tuple, assigning each value to its respective variable. To summarize, returning multiple values is a powerful feature that simplifies code when a single operation naturally produces several related results. You may use tuple unpacking for clean and readable code when capturing multiple returns. Our next lecture 12.05. Local and global variables. See you there.